plus 39,629 USD. On the 20th, the RBA meeting minutes revealed that the decision to raise the interest rates was finely balanced, causing the significant drop in the Australian dollar. Additionally, verbal interventions aimed at curbing the depreciation of the NB figures such as Finance Minister Suzuki and Economic Minister Nishimura Altoth purchase of Japanese yen, prompting a temporary halt to a planned buying of Australian dollar to Japanese yen. Midway through the week, we dumped to be Japanese stocks, Nikkei 225 CFDs, but had talked losses when things did not go as planned. In the latter half of the week, attention on gain focused on policy interest rates. Week to close the eye the selling off Japanese yen, but British pound and Swiss franc, which are in a phase of freezing interest rates. Although it was a challenging week to handle in the market dynamics, we managed to finish in the positive. From June 26th onwards, we'll be focusing on 12 areas. Pay attention to the Eco Repress Index for May. The overall PC Repress Index for May is projected to have grown by 4.4% YOY. The same as the growth rate in April, if the results are as expected. Thelikeli Hudofa 0.25% increase in federal funds rather jet after the FOMC meeting will increase following the hawkish skip decision to hold off on raising interest rates. At the June FOMC meeting, a significant negative surprise thought falls well below expectations would likely lead to increased speculation of a hawkish skip, hold off, or pause the July meeting. Source, Traders Web. These inflation indicators crucial for determining U.S. interest rate hikes. Depending on the results, we expect significant movement in the U.S. dollar. Pay attention to the Consumer Price Index, CPI. In Australian Canada, the Australian CPI for May, which is due to be announced on 28th, turned back to an increase of plus 6.8% in April, after dropping to plus 6.3% in March from a peak of plus 8.4% in December last year due to soaring fuel price and a substantial rise in housing prices. If the inflation rate for May remains high, there is a higher probability that the RBA will decide to raise interest rates at its board meeting on July 4th. The May CPI for Canada, due to be announced on 27th, could also significantly influence interest rate projections if the results are strong. There could be increased speculation of consecutive rate hikes at July and September meetings. Source, Traders Web. Both scenarios could lead to sharp price movements and increased speculation about interest rate hikes, depending on CPI results. They are certainly worth watching. P.S. Perhaps the news that Kativrion Satin thighs was the tragedy of Titanic submarine, where 5 crew members lost their lives due to the pressure underwater. While we had hoped for a different outcome, unfortunately, that wasn't the case. Particularly heartbreaking was the loss of a 19-year-old member who probably had a lot more they went to achieve. I couldn't help but imagine it his ends of impending doom they must have felt, crushed with underwater pressure. It's like lethargy. Have been signs beforehand, and the fear of impending death would have been immense. The loss of precious lives as a result of inadequate risk management is truly tragic. Beyond mourning this loss, it is essential that we learn from this tragic accident to prevent a similar one from happening again. While slightly off topic, the world of investing is also susceptible to unforeseen accidents. If an blame can be signed to a submarine disaster, it would likely with inadequate risk assessment and management. In fact, some individuals reportedly declined to board the Titanic to the perceived excessive risk. In investing and trading, it's equally important to carry out adequate risk assessment and devise corresponding strategies, proper capital management, data collection, and analysis aerial fundamental measures and risk management. Whether in the unknown depths of the ocean or in investments, continuous learning allows us to foresee potential risks and prepare for them. Wishing you a good weekend ahead.